Division of fractions using models. Our lesson objective. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to divide fractions using models. Let's have a review. Read and analyze the given word problem. Jen is preparing identical loot bags for her birthday. She plans to give away the loot bags to street children. She has 135 pieces of goodies and 15 party bags. How many goodies must she put in each party bag? In order to find out the answer, we must learn first how many groups of 15 are there in 135. The answer is 9. Therefore, Jen must put 9 goodies in each loot bag. Okay, let's unlock some terms using the numbers in our previous word problem. 135 divided by 15 equals 9. 135 is our dividend. Dividend refers to the number being divided. 15 is our divisor. The divisor refers to the number that divides the dividend. 9 is our quotient. Quotient refers to the answer for division. So 135 divided by 15, the quotient or the answer is 9. Let's try this. Suppose the given numbers in a division problem are fractions. How will you find the quotient? Use models to find the quotient. For example, divide 2/3 by 1/3. So we have a pictorial illustration of 2/3 divided by 1/3. So as you can see, how many 1/3 are there in 2/3? By just visualizing the fractions. So 2/3 divided by 1/3 equals 2, meaning there are 2 1/3 in 2/3. Just like in whole number division, dividing fractions means equal sharing or grouping. Let's take for example this word problem. A baker is making croissants. Each croissant is made from 1/8 pound of dough. If the baker has 3/4 pound of dough, how many croissants can he make? To solve, let's find the quotient using models. How many 1/8s are there in 3/4? So we have 3/4 divided by 1/8 equals n, or still unknown. Now let's analyze carefully. We have 3/4 divided by the 1/8 equals 6/8. Based on the illustration, there are 6/8 or 1/8 in 3/4. Therefore, the baker can make 6 croissants out of 3/4 dough. So 3/4 divided by 1/8 equals 6. Now let's solve using number lines. The same problem, but we will use number lines. Observe the illustration showing 3/4 and 1/8. Okay, the first number line shows an equal distance of 1/4, and the second number line shows an equal distance of 1/8 per subdivision. Then let's show and count equal jumps of 8s on a number line. So from 0, let's jump to 1/8. So another from 1/8 to 2/8, then 3/8, then 4/8, 5/8, and 6/8. And as you can see, 6/8 also is aligned in 3/4. They have the same distance. There, meaning there are 6 equal jumps of 8s on the number line. Therefore, the baker can make 6 croissants out of 3/4 dough. Now it's your turn. Divide 4/8 by 1/8. Use number line to show your answer. Did you get the correct answer? Do you have the same answer as the one illustrated or being illustrated? There are 4 1/8 in 4/8. Now, let's apply what you have learned. Solve using any model. Find the quotient. Number 1, 1/2 divided by 1/4 equals n. Number 2, 8/10 divided by 2/5 equals. Alright, if you already have your answer, let's try showing our answers. For number 1, we have the model, the pictorial illustration of 1/2 divided by 1/4. So if you can see, by just visualizing the fraction models, we can see that there are two 1/4 in 1/2. And for number 2, 8/10 divided by 2/5, we also have 2. So by just looking at the distance or the space covered by 2/5. Okay, so there are 2/5 in 8/10. Now let's sum up our discussion. How do we find the quotient of fractions? What are the models that we use in finding the quotient of fractions? Again, we have the number line model and we also have the pictorial illustration. You can use both or either of the two in order to find the quotient of the fractions. Now for your assessment, the direction says divide the following fractions using models. So number 1, you have 3/4 divided by 1/4. Number 2, 8/10 divided by 1/2. Number 3, 5/10 divided by 1/5. And number 4, 6/9 divided by 2/3. Good luck!